It wouldn't give us. There it is. One more, guys. One more. Thank you for the follows, guys. Y'all are amazing this morning. Anime, thank you for the roses. Rig, we already have. E&G. No. Let's scramble the letters a little bit, see if that helps. IRE, we already have. Rig, we already have. That was it.
Why is my water level so high?
Well, did you do any crimes like murder or theft?
No, I didn't do any of that. This must be an error.
Oh, wait, I think I found out why it's so high.
Really? What is it?
You're black.
Ready, set.
Okay, but like, can you do that to my ass?
No lo voy a hacer, no lo voy a hacer, no. No estoy tan enfermo, en serio. No lo voy
Oh my God, what the fuck, what the fuck? Hit my mom in the nose.
Into the
Bro, I'm gonna prank my brother while he's sleeping. I'm gonna chuck this on him.
Happy Easter, Grandpa!
Man, what the fuck y'all got going on down here in Florida? But these gators is bugging. He must not know that I'm thugging. Oh shit, he kinda sturdy though.
I was eating cereal before my first day at school, and the second I took a bite, I knew something was off. This wasn't milk.
Bagel, no! Bagel!
In 4 Giottos, drilling shit like Chicago. Dissing me, auto. Pop his ass like a bottle.